To make this type of basketball poster design in Canva, I am using these two images of legendary basketball player LeBron James, and after that in the first image I will be using this BG remover, and when the BG remover is applied in the first image I will use it in the second image. So the BG remover is applied, as you can see. So first image is this one, which I will make it slightly bigger like this, and I will just keep it side here, make it slightly bigger and keep it here. Okay, and after that I will just go to edit, and in here I will go to adjust so that I could match the colors of both this. And first I will increase the saturation of it, okay, and slightly decrease the brightness and also increase the temperature a bit so that it is kind of matched, and increase the shadows part and increase the blacks part, okay, and decrease the whites a little bit. Okay, now after that I will come to apps here, right here blend, click on image blender and make sure you have selected linear here and just move it upwards, and in the downwards portion I will keep it till here, okay, and click on save. Okay, and I will keep it here, make it smaller, cropping the parts which are not required, and I will just make it bigger. Okay, like this I will keep it here and middle it, and this one also I will just make it slightly bigger and I will keep it just here. And after that come to text here, click on add a heading and write 23, which is the jersey number of LeBron James, and in here I will change the font to graduate. Okay, and after that I will just make it bigger. And I will move it slightly closer. So -88 looks good, and I will change the font color to white. And after that I want to use a background, and for that I will go to elements, and here I will write basketball background, and in here I will choose basketball court and I will go to photos, and in here I will use this one and right click it and set image as background. After that just select the background, click on edit, and here go to blur and increase the blur to 20, and just click on this cross part. Okay, so the blur effect is done. Now I will select this one, click on duplicate, paste this one and click on FX, click on hollow and make sure the thickness is just 1, and after that right click it, go to layer, show layers, and keep the hollow part in the above and the lower part just below the layer. So this is the hollow text which is done here, and after that I will go to text again, click on add a heading, and here I will write LeBron James. Okay, and I will just rotate it to 90 degrees and I will just keep it right here. Bring it upwards like this, and I will after that duplicate it and here write Lakers, and I will just rotate it to -90 degrees, bring it here. and after that just paste it here. And as you can see, the letters are not visible, so to make it visible I will go to effects here, and here I will use lift and click on the intensity and increase it to 100. So as you can see, it is visible, and I will follow the same for this one also. So these are visible, and as you can see, and for the end effect I will just select the one which I have blended and just decrease the transparency for it, and now our design is complete. So hope you like this tutorial, and this is a very easy one to follow, so you can make it your own designs using this type of effect. Thank you, and I will meet you in another tutorial next time. Please subscribe to the channel and keep checking out our other tutorials as well.